House of the Dragon Netflix 101, House of the Dragon TV schedule. House of the Dragon is a TV series based on the fantasy novels by George R.R. Martin, set 200 years before the events of Game of Thrones. It follows the history and the civil war of House Targaryen, the dragon-riding dynasty that ruled Westeros for centuries. The series is produced by HBO and will have 10 episodes in its first season, which is expected to premiere in 2022. House of the Dragon is not available on Netflix, as it is an exclusive HBO original series. You can only watch it on HBO or HBO Max, the streaming service that offers all the HBO content and more. You can subscribe to HBO Max for $14.99 per month, or get a 7-day free trial if you are a new customer. You can also watch House of the Dragon on other platforms that offer HBO as an add-on, such as Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, or YouTube TV. House of the Dragon has a star-studded cast, including Paddy Considine as King Viserys Targaryen, Matt Smith as Prince Daemon Targaryen, Olivia Cooke as Queen Alicent Hightower, Emma Darcy as Princess Rhaenyra Targaryen, and Rhys Ifans as Ser Otto Hightower. The series is co-created by George R.R. Martin and Ryan Condal, who also serves as the showrunner and executive producer. Miguel Sapochnik, who directed some of the most epic episodes of Game of Thrones, is also an executive producer and a director of House of the Dragon. Now head over to House of the Dragon TV Series 2022, IMDb. https